Hello everyone, this video is a part of the Binance cloning homepage. As you can see, we will continue to build our project. This section will be built now. I name it is Binance Earn. So let's start coding. We have here a lot of cards with the percentage of the APR. APR is basically if you want to stake your currency, so you have a percentage per APRs. It's a rate that you get from the staking for 1 year. So we have so let's start the coding. So I will name it an Earn APR. So let's create a folder. Like always, 2 files. I always love to copy the name here. Instead of React, we import the CSS file. The main app component, main page component. Save all. Let's check if it's appear on the screen. On build, let's refresh the page. Like always, it should appear here on the left bottom corner. Yeah, I see it. So it's working. So let's now apply the classes. Class names, of course. So will be again another warper. Like always, I prepare all the elements before I already built it, so I just, instead of start to write and all this, I just copy it. You can basically you can copy from the screen, but better than that, you can just go to my source code, where I will include in the description below the video, and just copy it. And follow it. Here we need to import link and the image, and of course the arrow circle up. One link, it's one card, yeah? That will be the last, it will be the button. So that's all the GSX. Now we can start with the CSS. Just we will go to check if it's all working, because you must to confirm that it all works. Yeah, it looks very bad, but it's because the CSS is missing. Yes. So let's start to coding the CSS. This time it's not be too much long. Submit a query. Alright, that's it. Let's check if we, yep, that's all. Now we have a Binance here. The section is finished. Thank you for watching. Come on with me to the next video.